Kies some nom nom nom.
Nom nom nom.
Nom 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 nom.
Delicious M&Ms.
You can't put them all at the same time.
How long have you gone without food, Jimmy?
I don't know what time is it.
4:45. Bloody hell.
We had dinner at 8 o'clock last night.
Bitte Fahrgäste, wir erreichen in Kürze.
That was the last time you had
20 hours.
Bitte alle aussteigen.
Mmm.
Für den nächsten Anschluss.
I'm hungry.
Lautsprecheransage am Bahnsteig.
I should bloody hope
Verabschieden Sie und wünschen Ihnen noch einen schönen Tag bzw. Weiterreise.
Bloody long train journeys. Special trains. Give some more M&Ms.
You got any good in your hand? No more.
Is this Zurich?
Yeah, how do we get to the hotel when I've got a hostel? Now we have 20 minutes left in Zurich because some stupid idiot.
20 minutes? We have more than 20 minutes.
Half an hour.
When are you
Louis,
planning on
you're not allowed
leaving?
M&Ms, you'll be sick. You're not even allowed Swiss chocolate.
Yeah,
I am.
chocolate and junkie. Look, there's Zurich, the bank! Oh, whoopsies.
In Zurich.
Where does it say that?
On the bow down.
What's for not building over there?
We passed it. A Zurich train.
I don't really like Zurich.
You don't?
No, I liked other places, but I do a Raymore or something.
You're not in the middle of it yet. But yeah, I know what you mean. Like, that's why I think we should just go to this random village.
We can never get wandering.
Mm-hmm.
Get some food.
Look, Zurich. How's you there? Zurich.
Where?
There.
You missed it.
Mhm.
Just in case
No,
you
I got
forget,
it.
they're in Zurich.
Welcome
It's
to
got a big
Zurich.
clock as well.
Axel.
Aspel.
Eat, Jimmy, eat. Is that good? Is that the best M&Ms you've ever eaten? Just like the best shower you had was last night.
It wasn't really.
Well, that was one of the best ones I had.
What?
Woo!
The best shower I had last night.
Wasn't the best.
We
The
were.
best one was last one Train M&Ms. That was my second best.
But at Tea in the Park, everyone's minging, whereas in the city, it was only us that were minging.
Yeah, but I didn't mind being minging at Train M&Ms, but it was when I got back and I was sitting.
Are we meant to get off now?
Yeah, this is